Welcome friends. In this video we will see how to download, install, configure this Adobe CS version. So if you have trial version for CS, then you can install with that. Otherwise what you can do, you can send a WhatsApp message on this WhatsApp number you see here, +92 302 753 33163. It's also given in the video start. So from here you can get the download link, and once you have download link, then you can open this download, and once you have the download link, you open the download link and you can download the software. Here it will be the software, so it will start downloading. When it will download software for you, I have already here, so it will be like this. The software will be in zip format. You need to right click and extract here, so it will be extracted over here. So this will be the software. Now you can see here what is important. There is that this instruction file. You can follow the instruction. The instruction will lead you, will also provide the number for this WhatsApp if you have any trouble. And second important thing here will be the email ID which you need to use, Adobe ID, during the installation. So you go to this single version, then setup. Start path is too long, so the path is too long, so it means what I will do, I will copy it from here. You need to copy it here, okay, or I can rename it so that the name will be shorter. I will take it out and I will put it here. Okay, great. We'll try. Okay, I will post this here. I will also now press ignore, and it is telling me that restart is, you can ignore it. If restart is required, simply run the setup file and it will initialize the installer. So now it has installed with a start message installer trial. You need to go with that, then accept it, and then it is connected with this ID is there. I have put ID, so it will sign in. Okay, I already signed in. You need to use this password and email and password which is given here. This is the email, okay, you need to use, and then this is the password. Use this email and password and you can log in Adobe ID. Okay, now this is you need to 64-bit and both better. You install both version, and then here you see the English, International, North America, for example international, and then it is the path, and it will, now you can install it, yes, and it will start installing the product. Now it is installing the Adobe CS6 software on your computer. Depending upon the computer speed and RAM, it will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. It depends. I have a lot of programs installed, so it is taking that much time. So it will install the CS6 on your computer, and you see here again during your, this is the WhatsApp number. You can have the link for downloading this file. Send a WhatsApp on this number and you will get the download link, and after that you go and download, and then you can install the file. So now it is nearly done. Depending upon your computer system, it will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, it depends. And after that, once this installation is finished, we will go that how we can use it without getting the message for purchase or something. So this is installation complete. We will close it, and after you close this, now you need to go to this folder. Okay, and now here we see DLL file. We need to first open this. If you install 32-bit or 64, I install 64-bit. You copy this file, this DLL file, and go to the location. It is normally 64-bit is into program file, Adobe Photoshop CS6 64-bit, and then paste here. Yeah, so we paste it here. Now once it is done, you go back to this folder that you have downloaded it, and here you can see now what you need to do. You need to go here, then you need to open it. See, extract it here, and this you will find over here this file. You need to right click it, and then yes, and it will open it. You have this file, you just press, it is done. Now you can close it. So you don't need to do anything, you already have anything. It is in some methods we need it, but now it is done. Now it should be fully installed. What we need to do, we need to go and check if it is working properly. It is CS4. I will run it. CS6. This is my Adobe Photoshop. Okay, now go to help, and you see here activate, update, and this all things. So it means it is done and it is fully working. So this way you can use this file. Now you can go and open recent file, and see here you can bring in files and all this, and we can go and use this file fully. So this was all the procedure. You need to remember this number, and then you can watch this video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.